Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the font style in Perplexity AI. This is a simple customization that can make reading AI responses more comfortable for your eyes, especially during longer research sessions. First, open your web browser and head over to perplexity.ai. Once the site loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your login information to access your account and get started with the customization process. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, select Preferences. This is where you'll find all the settings that allow you to personalize your Perplexity AI experience to match your needs. Once you're in the Preferences section, look for the option labeled Answer Font. This setting controls the typeface used for all the AI-generated responses you receive. Right beside Answer Font, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to see the available font options. Here, you can choose between different font styles, such as serif or sans serif, depending on which one you find easier to read or more visually appealing. Select your preferred font style by clicking on it. The moment you make your selection, the change will be applied immediately to your interface. You'll notice that all future responses from Perplexity AI will now appear in your chosen font style, making your reading experience more personalized and comfortable. And that's it. You've successfully customized the font style in Perplexity AI to suit your preferences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.